Let's begin with remaining factors of the concept of news. Progress. Progress is also news value as it is the positive result of efforts made by society. Progress improves quality of life. Through routine struggles of life, examples of shining success emerge frequently. From laboratories after years of work emerge new devices, new inventions, and new remedies. All these and their various dimensions make news. Consequence. What are the consequences of this preparing or writing news? The immediate and long-term consequence of an event also makes news. The more people it affects, the greater the consequence. Fear of consequences of an event also makes news. The possible consequences of a nuclear war makes news, and all efforts to avert it and failure or success in this direction also makes news. Consequence also serve as a measure of conflicts, disaster, and progress. The greater the consequence, the more the news value. Next, we will discuss what are the causes of news. Like consequence, the cause of a newsworthy event also makes news. Every event has consequence and has its causes also. The cause of a hotel fire may be known immediately, it will make news, but if it is not known, all efforts to find out the cause and possible interpretations will make news. Similarly, various theories and interpretations about a crisis will keep on making news from time to time. Then, eminence and prominence of news, involvement of eminent personalities in an event adds to its news value. The news value is directly proportional to the prominence of the person. Thus, if an eminent scholar says something about a problem, it will have news value, while the same remarks made by an ordinary person may go unnoticed. When Mulkraj Anand fainted while speaking at Lucknow, it became national news. If this would have happened to a lesser known figure, the importance of the event would have been reduced to the importance of that person. Prominence is many a time built up by the media. Media had a major role in bringing Janal Singh Bindawala, Charles Sobhraj, Raj Narayan, Anna Hazare, Arvind Kejriwal, and many others into prominence. And then, whatever they said or did, even if it did not have any other news value, go into media just because of their prominence. People were interested in them because they were famous. A big chunk of news in the media is about those who are well known. Then, the factor that affects news is timeliness. Timeliness is also basic news value as old news is no news. In the highly competitive world of journalism, every medium tries to be the first with news. News is a highly perishable commodity, and therefore every medium tries to give the latest available news to score a point over the others. Proximity of the news. Proximity of the news is meant for human beings. The prime concern of a person is himself or herself, and then the person is interested in his or her neighborhood. If other things are equal, proximity becomes a key news value. A traffic jam in Mumbai will be more important for a newspaper published from Mumbai, but may not find a place in a Delhi newspaper, find place in a Delhi newspaper. If the Prime Minister is visiting Chennai, his or her activities will get more space in the Chennai edition of Indian Express as compared to the Chandigarh edition of the same newspaper. Novelty. If a dog bites a man, it is not news. But if a man bites a dog, it is news. This old newspaper saying recognizes the news value of the unusual, that is novelty. Means novelty requires unusual days. Almost everything in news concerns human beings, but this particular news value is the emotional context of the news event. It is this aspect which appeals to everybody, not because of interest in the subject, but because everybody shares human experiences. Human interest is the element with which the readers identify anything familiar that stirs their feelings. Crime stories often have a human interest angle which makes them readable. Human interest content of stories is higher when ordinary persons are involved in extraordinary situations. An adventure, a disaster, a tragedy, or a triumph. Human interest is also involved when the story depicts extraordinary persons in ordinary situations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's humble beginnings and his relationship with his mother made news because of human interest. An event may have many or all of these news values, and taken together, these values determine which news story is more important than the other, which news story should be printed or broadcast, and which should be left out. So these are some factors that can be discussed or that can be included in the concept of news. These all factors affect news, writing or preparing of news.